A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on CLAT Legal Reasoning Part 12. So friends, in this particular series, we bring to you the most important and the precise question that a student who is preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination must be aware of. So a very happy Makar Sankranti to each and every one of you watching me live right now. A very good afternoon to all of you. So friends, in today's session, we shall be discussing certain important legal knowledge questions which a student who is preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination must be aware of. So friends, let's begin. Before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you Festive Fiesta, which starts from the 13th till the 14th of January. It started yesterday and today it's going to end. A flat 25% discount. A flat 25% discount on your online classroom program, friends. A flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. So definitely I want each and every one of you who have not yet joined us to join this particular session so that you get a flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. Use the code FESTIVE25. Use the code FESTIVE25 which appears on your screen and avail this fantastic flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, AILET, SLAT, BLAT and Jamia LL.B 2022. The course is going to start from tomorrow, that is 15th of January, in which you will be getting 150 plus live classes, 10,000 plus practice question, monthly e-magazine on legal reasoning and current affairs, mock test, expert guidance by NLU alumni, and 50 plus mocks, 120 plus sectional test, and 100 plus quizzes. So friends, those of you who are preparing for Maharashtra CET, AILET, SLAT, BLAT, Jamia LL.B 2022, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this express course. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a booster course on legal affairs and current events for CLAT 2022. This will be batch 2. In this course, you get to build CLAT 2022 concepts for legal affairs, current events, and static GK from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, let's begin. Up on your screen is a particular question. Read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer. Okay? Which one of the following is not an example of vicarious liability? Which of the following is not an example? Very important. It is not an example of vicarious liability. Liability of the principal for the tort of his agent. Yes, it is vicarious liability. Liability of partners for each other's tort. That also amounts to vicarious liability. Liability of the master for the tort of his servant. Vicarious liability. liability of the parent for the tort of the children. That is not vicarious liability. So option D is the right answer. So these are the kind of questions you can probably be getting or encountering in your examination, for which we bring to you this set of questions. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. The President of India has a dash veto. Suspensive veto, absolute veto, pocket veto, or none of these. The correct answer. Let's see. How many of you got the right answer? Please, fast. The President of India has a suspensive veto. Suspensive veto. Very, very important. Very good. Okay. It has a suspensive veto insofar as a bill, when it becomes an act, is concerned. It can just suspend it, keep it to himself, and not sign it. Okay. Moving on to the next question, question number 3. Under which article of the Constitution the governor of a state can resume a bill for the consideration of the President? Under which provision of the Indian Constitution the governor of a state can resume a bill for the consideration of the President? And the correct answer is it Article 196, is it Article 200, is it Article 202, or is it Article 204? The correct answer to this question is option B, Article 200. Article 200 of the Constitution, the governor of a state can keep a bill for the consideration of the President of the country. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Question number 4 is up there on your screen. Which commission has examined the center-state relationship? Which commission has examined the center and state relationship? Very important question. Is it the Sarkaria Commission? Is it the Sri Krishna Commission? Is it the Rajmanan Commission? Or is it the Keher Commission? Which of the following commission deals with the relationship which the center and the state should have? And the correct answer is the Sarkaria Commission. Very, very good. The Sarkaria Commission. The Sarkaria Commission happens to be the right answer, friends. Okay. So guys, these are the kind of questions which each and every one of you should be aware of. These are very important questions for you. Moving on to question number 5. Please read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer. The term federal is derived from the Latin word foedus, which means separation, distribution, covenant, or none of these. Which of the following? And the correct answer is what? Tell me. Does it mean separation? Does it mean distribution? Does it mean covenant? Or none of these? The correct answer is it refers to a covenant. It refers to a covenant. Is that clear? So friends, if you are liking today's session, do press on the like button and share this video, this session with your friends and others who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Okay, moving on. Question number 6. Every promise and every set of promise forming consideration for each other. Is it called a contract, an offer, an or an agreement, or an acceptance? Every promise and every set of promise forming consideration for each other. What is it called? It is referred to as an agreement. It is referred to as an agreement. Am I clear? Is that clear to all of you? Option C is the right answer. Okay. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 7. If an agreement suffers from any uncertainty, it is said to be voidable, void, unenforceable, or illegal. Please read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer. If an agreement suffers from any uncertainty, is it voidable? Is it void? Is it unenforceable? Or is it illegal? The correct answer is, it is void. Am I clear? It is void. Am I clear to all of you? It is void. So friends, these are those particular questions which a student who is preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination should know. Because you don't know the kind of questions you might get in your CLAT, in your Maharashtra CET, in your AILET. We are not setting the question paper. So your preparation should be such that you can attempt each and every question correctly and leave no scope that since you guys are all wanting to get into the top law schools of the country, it is absolutely important that yes, you should know it. Okay, is that clear? Okay, very good, very good. Chalo, let's move ahead. Let's come to question number 8. The principle or the meaning of which is facts speaks for themselves is expressed by which of the following maxim? Ubi jus epidemidam, res ipsa liquitor. The correct answer, I'm sure most of you are aware of, is res ipsa liquitor. It means facts that speaks for themselves. Okay, facts that speak for themselves. Okay, very good. Okay, let's see how many of you got it right. Okay, ABS View said B, Madhunitas N said B. Okay, So friends, if you are watching today's session, do keep on giving me the right answers in the chat box so that I get to know who are giving me the right answer and who are not. Tanvi, this session is a live session. It's not a pre-recorded session. Okay, chalo. Moving on to question number 9. Please read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer to this question. In Ramamurthy versus State of Karnataka, the Supreme Court gave certain direction relating to which of the following? Juvenile justice reforms, prison reforms, judicial reforms, or police reforms? Which of the following? ABS view says A, no. Juvenile justice reforms, no. No, it is not juvenile justice reforms. It is relating to police reforms. Police reforms. Am I clear? All of you? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Okay, moving on to question number 10. Who amongst the following can remove the governor of a state from office? So the question is, who has the power under the Indian Constitution to remove the governor of a state from office? Is it the Legislative Assembly? Is it the Prime Minister? Is it the President? Or is it the Chief Justice of India? The hint is who appoints the governor of a state. The person who appoints the governor of a state will only have the power to remove that person from office. Very good, Tanvi. Very good. It is the president. It is the president of India. Option C is the right answer. Is that clear? Option C happens to be the right answer. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Very good. Very good. Moving on to question number 11. The idea of concurrent list that exists under the 7th schedule. So you have the 7th schedule, which deals with list 1, list 2 and list 3. Union list, state list and the concurrent list. List 1 is the sole domain of the Union Parliament to make laws. Whatever matters are given under the list 2 comes under the exclusive domain of the state legislature to make laws. And whatever matters are provided under list 3, it is under both. That is, both the Union Parliament as well as the state legislature can make laws, provided that in case there is a conflict between a state law and a union law, the union law shall prevail. So, the concurrent list was adopted from which constitution? And the correct answer is option C. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, all of you. ABS views, Nandita, okay, Adan, Asif, Tanvi, All of you have given me the right answer. Okay. It's not the American Constitution. It is the Swiss Constitution, the Switzerland Constitution. Okay. Question number 12. Please read the question and give me the correct answer. What is the maximum time gap permissible under the Indian Constitution between two sessions of the Parliament? The maximum gap which is permitted by virtue of the Indian Constitution between two sessions of the Parliament. The correct answer is, all of you are giving me the right answer. Okay, very good. It is the 6 months tenure. Okay, Madhushmita, Vipul Dubey, Rai, Mahajan, ABS Views, Ada Nasif. Very good, very good, very good. It is 6 months. It is 6 months. Very good. Okay. Moving on to question number 13. Read the question carefully. Read the question very carefully and give me the right answer. Who holds the purse holds the power. Who said that? The person who has the money holds the power. Was it said by Jawaharlal Nehru? Was it said by Harold Lasky? Was it said by Clement Attlee? Or was it said by James Madison? Who said this famous word? Who holds the power? Who holds the purse holds the power. No, it was not said by Jawaharlal Nehru. It was not said by Jawaharlal Nehru, ABS Views and Vipul Dubey. No. It was not said by Harold Lasky also. Neither what it was said by Clement Attlee. It was said by James Madison, one of the founders of the US Constitution. One of the founders of the US Constitution, James Madison, said so. Okay. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Am I clear to each and every one? Okay. James Madison. Moving on to question number 14. The speaker, that is the speaker of the Lok Sabha, uses the casting vote when to maintain status quo, to challenge the opposition, to defeat the government, or in the absence of the prime minister. Which of the following is the correct answer? Okay. Yes, Oshin Gupta says A, Keshav Jain says A, Sanjana says Shahana says A, Vipul Dubey says A. To maintain status quo. Absolutely, absolutely correct. To maintain status quo. The speaker can use the casting vote to maintain status quo. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 15. Which of the following is described as the soul of the Indian Constitution? Is it the fundamental rights? Is it the fundamental duties? Is it the directive principle of state policy? Or is it the preamble? Okay, so let's see. The soul of the Constitution is the preamble. The preamble happens to be the soul of the Constitution. Okay, so friends, if you are liking today's session, if you have liked today's session, then definitely press on the like button. Definitely press on the like button so that we get some help from there. Okay, we understand how many of you are liking today's session then. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. That's great, that's great, that's great. Okay, fantastic. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course Batch 7 for CLAT 2023. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, here is a comprehensive course Batch 7 for you guys. In this course, you get build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 100 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. So those of you who are interested for this particular comprehensive course, now this is a course which is dedicated and meant for students who are preparing for CLAT 2023. Remember, one very important thing is the fact that the CLAT 2023 examination is going to be held in December 2022. So you will have exactly around 11 months for your preparation. You have around 11 months for your preparation if you are preparing for CLAT 2023. Okay. So friends, with this, we come to the end of today's session. With this, we come to the end of today's session. I hope that you have liked today's session. You understood the various things that were explained to you, the questions that were discussed with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. See you soon. Wishing you all a very happy weekend. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.